Have an AKC 3D model file from ARC software and need to view or edit it. These contain compressed 3D model data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these ARC compressed 3D model files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening AKC files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. An AKC file stores custom keyboard shortcuts, also known as accelerator keys, for Autodesk's AutoCAD software. CAD professionals create or modify this file to personalize their workspace. Mapping frequently used commands to specific key combinations to significantly speed up their drafting and modeling workflow. The AKC file is typically a plain text or XML-based configuration file. This human-readable format was chosen to allow for easy manual editing, sharing between users, and backing up personalized settings. The file contains simple key value pairs that map a keyboard input to a specific AutoCAD command string. None from unknown should be your first choice when attempting to open AKC. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows can show only simplified info, so detailed examination calls for full 3D modeling software. To guarantee file access, right-click your AKC file and select Open With. If none is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If the AKC file won't budge, stay calm. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, opening an ARC software. Launch the ARC software that creates AKC files and use its file open functionality to load the model. The application decompresses the file, automatically displaying the 3D model with all materials and textures applied. Edit the model using the application's full feature set, then save back to AKC or export to other formats. Next, converting to standard formats. Use ARC software to export AKC content to standard 3D formats, like OBJ, FBX, or STL. These widely supported formats enable using the model in other 3D applications like Blender Maya or 3ds Max. Conversion preserves geometry and basic materials with various levels of additional data preservation. Finally, identifying the application. If the source of AKC files is unclear, search online for the specific ARC application or contact the file provider for the appropriate software identification. Various applications use AKC extensions, and identifying the correct one ensures proper file access. Online file format databases may help identify uncommon or specialized 3D formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.